Let's talk about our weather learning targets. I can identify the types of weather around me and record data on the weather I see. So that I can represent data, I am successful when I can explain the data I have recorded to others. Let's record our weather data. What kind of weather are we having outside today? Go on ahead, look outside. Do we have partly cloudy, sunny, rainy, or snowy? Go on ahead in your weather chart that you've been keeping, or in your assignments, or on a piece of paper, or your whiteboard. Tell me what kind of weather we have today. Take a picture of it and put it in CTLS Learn. We are now going to read a National Geographic Kids weather book. It is written by Kristen Baird Rattini. When you're done listening to the book, in CTLS Learn, you are going to tell me what you learned about weather and what the different types of weather are. You can use your whiteboard, your marker, journal, paper, pencil, crayon, markers. Use whatever you have to tell me all the different types of weather and what you learned about different types of weather. Great job in science today.